keep on falling.
Oh, come in.
Good afternoon, Mr. Xiao.
Good afternoon. Take a seat.
I would like to sue the school and the Ministry of Education for my son's mishap. Do you think it is possible?
Well, I think you can sue them under a lot of torts in aspect of negligence. However, I won't recommend you do so because I don't think you'll stand a good chance of winning the case. You might even have to pay for the legal proceedings, and I think you should think twice before deciding if you want to sue the school and the Ministry of Education. Besides, you will need to have an airtight case to sue the Ministry of Education in order to win it. I personally feel that you have an extremely slim chance of winning.
But they are the ones at fault. Someone has to compensate me. Besides, I can't afford to pay for my son's medical fees.
I understand, Madam Amina, but I don't think it's a very wise idea to sue the school and the Ministry of Education.
I don't care. I'm going to sue both the school and the Ministry of Education. They owe me an explanation and compensation. I don't believe I'll lose my case. And if you're not going to represent me, I can go find another lawyer elsewhere. Okay? So are you going to take up my case or not?
Okay, ma'am, please calm down, don't get so worked up. Even though I think we might not win the case, I'll definitely give it my best shot. Your Honor, the school, specifically a teacher, has breached his duty of care. He has omitted to do something which a reasonable man would do. As a result, he has caused the injury of this young man. The injury and loss of income of the parents could have been avoided had the teacher done something to stop the young man from running. In the neighbour principle, the boy's neighbour is the teacher, and his omission of action has caused this young man to be injured. Hence, my client only wants to be compensated for the medical fees and the loss of income that was forfeited due to the accident.
All rise.
The court holds that the school is not responsible for the injury. The defendant has not breached her duty of care because she had warned the boy not to run. She is not obliged to do anything else because she has no longer any duty of care when the boy blatantly ignored her warning. The boy is completely responsible for his own action and can blame no one for his injury. Therefore, his parents also cannot claim any compensation for medical fees and loss of income. I have taken into account the circumstances of the plaintiff in its decision. The court dismisses the claim against the school and the Ministry of Education. Therefore, the plaintiff is required to pay the Attorney General's Chamber's costs of $8,725.40 paid by $80 monthly installments. Court dismissed.
All rise.
I can't afford to pay the cost of the legal proceedings. I only earn $850 a month, and I have to pay $700 from my CPF just to pay for my housing loan. So what will happen if I don't pay?
Well, the Attorney General's chambers could get a writ to seize and auction the furniture in your house.